Hello, my name is Caitlin and welcome to Country Kitchen SweetArt's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make ice cream cookie sandwiches that are made for dogs. These treats are perfect as the warm weather approaches. Let's get started. Make these tasty treats for your dogs to enjoy as the weather gets warmer. They are so fun and easy to make, and your pups will enjoy cooling off with these homemade treats. To make these ice cream sandwiches, you will need the shortbread cookie mix and birthday ice cream mix for dogs. Start by mixing the ice cream according to the package directions. Mix the powdered mix with water using a whisk to ensure it is well combined and there are no lumps left behind. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper and pour the ice cream mix onto the pan. Gently spread the mixture evenly on the sheet pan, then refrigerate for 4 hours. While the ice cream is freezing, make the shortbread bone treats. Mix the powdered contents with an egg, water, and vegetable oil using a spatula until the dough starts to come together. Once the dough starts to stick together, use a gloved hand to knead and form a ball. Line a silicone mat with a piece of parchment paper, then place the dough on top and press flat. Add another piece of parchment on top of the dough and roll out. Add pastry rulers to either side of the dough to ensure it is the same thickness throughout. I rolled the dough a few times without the pastry rulers to make it slightly thinner. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper and cut the dough using the bone cutter that came with the shortbread mix. Use an angled spatula to help remove the dough from the parchment paper, then space evenly on the sheet pan. Bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes, then allow them to cool on the pan for 2 to 3 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Once the ice cream has frozen, use the bone cutter used to cut the shortbread dough to cut out pieces of the ice cream. Carefully transfer the ice cream bones to another sheet pan lined with parchment paper. If the ice cream starts to break or gets too warm, place it back in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes, then finish cutting. When the cookies are cool and the ice cream is ready, we can assemble the sandwiches. Place the ice cream bone on the flat or bottom side of the cookie, then top with another cookie. Use an angled spatula to help transfer the ice cream to the cookie. After the sandwiches are put together, decorate them with the sprinkles that came with the ice cream. Empty the sprinkle packet onto a plate and dip the sides of the sandwich into the sprinkles until it is coated evenly. Place the assembled sandwiches in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes before serving to allow the ice cream to set up again. Store these treats in the freezer in an airtight container for up to 4 weeks. Thank you for watching until the end of our video, and be sure to stick around so you can learn where to find all of the products used in this video and how to stay connected with us. To find the products used in this video, scroll down to the description and click on that link. That link will take you to our website, and below the photo you will find all of the products used to make these dog desserts. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on all of our new products, sales, and giveaways. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our miscellaneous desserts playlist on our channel. Be sure to leave us a comment down below letting us know what you thought of this video and what kinds of videos you would like to see next. Be sure to check out our next video where I will be showing you how to make royal icing from a mix and from scratch. See you next time.